Hey guys, welcome back.
Thank you.
Thank you. If you've been watching any of my videos, then you'll know that this trailer video, the first one from around 3 years ago, is by far the most popular video on my channel. Be careful, buddy. Don't step in ants, okay?
Hello.
And a lot of people actually kind of got upset that I never really kept working on it. I started and I stopped the project. A lot went on in the 3 years since I first started building this trailer, or rebuilding this trailer. We had several floods. I changed jobs. We moved to Alabama. We had a kid. A lot happened. Regardless, the trailer really sat on the back lot and kind of rotted again. So I had to restart the whole process. Some of what I did is the same. I still have the winch mount up front. Still have the same plans. There's metal along the sides to widen it really wide. I still got to cap all that. There's still a lot of work to do, and I'm finishing it right now. So we've done some work, which you'll see in this video. There's one more video coming out where I finish welding. I do all the other small stuff that's needed, and then it'll be done. So guys, if you hung around for 3 years, hang around for a little bit longer, and this trailer will be done. And a few little things that are going to be really neat that I think you hadn't seen before. So guys, thanks for watching and enjoy. So guys, I got these 8-ply Travel Star. Never heard of them. They have good reviews online. Just 205.75. So this will remain a light duty trailer. And there's wasp nests everywhere. These waterproof lights are going to come back off because I'm going to make a ramp down through there, so the lights will have to go on the very back. And I don't have those lights yet. But today I think the goal is to get the new tires on, get the winch mounted. Let me go get the winch. Oh, jeez. Guys, whew, that's heavy. Guys, the winch we picked is extreme overkill for this thing. This thing could have got by with a 5,500 pound winch and what we may swap out to it one day. But Russell went and picked up this 12,000 pound Badlands winch from Harbor Freight. But hey, can't fault him for going big. Do not use to lift. Well, I guess I broke that rule immediately. Guys, whether you like Harbor Freight or not, these Badland winches have generally come on to be a pretty strong, cheap, I say cheap, they're not that cheap anymore, but contender. Well, it'll certainly look good. The width is perfect. What we'll have to do is pull it all the way forward. Run the front bolts through the C channel, the rear bolts through the L that we got there, and it'll be good. We'll plan on putting toolbox right there. Mount it down. We'll have the battery and the control box in the toolbox probably. Keep it nice and dry. Maybe we can put a, well, let's see if this will open. Alright, so clearly that's going to have to move forward. Alright, let's get started. Whew. After completely soaking about 17 shirts, because it is just as hot as it gets in the south, drilling those 4 holes in some pretty thick metal, it's mounted, and it's mounted pretty solidly. I'm gonna have to figure out how to mount the fair lead, because I didn't use a standard winch plate that has fair lead mount, so I'll have to fabricate something there. Fixing to go ahead and put the control box on it, just set it up there and have it on there, but it looks good. Me and Russell prepared this box for the battery by bolting it down. We'll put the battery in this side, drill holes in it to run the wires. Gotta get some grommets. Not ready to do that yet because I don't have the battery, so I'm not sure if it's going this way or this way. So Guys, we can get started on these tires. I'm gonna try to find the best tire and make it into my spare, because my spare I put on another trailer that I have and that had a blowout, and regardless I don't have a spare. This one looks pretty good. That one looks terrible. That one's pretty bad, and that one's pretty bad. All right, so these Carrier Star, never heard of that. Well, apparently I have because I bought them, but so all those are coming off. And we're gonna keep this one Lodestar and get rid of all the Carrier Stars. So I need to find my other spare tire, figure out where it went, so I can go ahead and replace it, and I'll just swap that one out. Guys, I think I see it right out there by that shed. That's it. You can see the blowout it had. Wasps. No. Maybe they're all dead. Okay, sweet. Oh yeah. I hope you can see it. That is what I'm talking about. That was probably not good, rolling down the road at 70 with 4,000 pounds on it. 8-ply are significantly heavier than those 6-ply that were on it. Why I had 6-ply on here, I don't know. I don't remember putting them on here, but apparently I did. Now that I'm looking at it, this wheel is slightly different, more so than just the pinstripe. It's a little bit off-white because it's dirty, it just needs to be cleaned. But the points on the triangles are pointier. If that makes sense. Okay, I'm too sweaty. It's not a heat index of about 110. But good, I like them. Except for that wheel being jacked up. First two tires went on super easy. These last two just did not want to do it, so we're gonna have to do it the hard way. Now we're fixing to go ahead and get this cleaned off, and I'm gonna go ahead and stain it. I'm just using some Thompson's water seal, it's like walnut colored water protectant stain. It's not really stained, I guess it's just water protectant, but it's colored. We'll just roll that on. Worried about getting it on the paint or anything because I'm gonna repaint everything, and I think it'll look good. I haven't pressure washed it, but I did pressure wash it several months ago, and I haven't really used it since then, so I'm just gonna stain right over the stains, the rust stains and all that. This thing's gonna be rode hard and put up wet, literally. So I'm not that concerned about it being pristine. I just want it to be real nice, and I want to go ahead and protect this wood. It's already shrank a lot, and I want to keep it from getting damaged or shrinking anymore. Dan?
Give it a test paint.
Guys, we got tie down time. We're figuring out our layouts. I think we're gonna do D-rings on the corners. These flush mounted tie downs in the middle somewhere with the backing plates. We'll probably add some extra D-rings too. All we're doing is jigsawing out the hole, and then we're gonna put the backing plates on, drill holes for the bolts, put the bolts through, and then tighten them down. Oh, that's already too hot to hold. Jeez.
That's why I'm putting them back in this box and closing it.
She likes to hold on to.
Really good stuff. I think you can use it like that. I like the way that head spins on that thing.
With that weird ass battery, it's the only way to. Oh shit. I need
It's cross
wasp
brace.
spray.
What?
I need wasp spray stat.
Oh, really?
Shit.
They're coming at you?
Oh shit, there's like
They're what?
there's a wasp nest that side about that big.
All over that thing yesterday. Last night even, where they'd be all on there.
That's why we got the back.
I know it falls. Excuse me. Especially now that it's watering out.
Well, it definitely ain't straight. So guys, that first recessed mounting point took about an hour to do, and the rest combined took like 10 minutes. Once we figured out how to drill the holes right, and that one is just a little cocked sideways, which really upsets me, but whatever. The rest of them are square. Still got to weld on this stuff, these D-rings, and get them coated so that they don't rust. So I think that's where I'm going to end it. The next and final video on this trailer will be coming out soon. I'm going to mount this spare tire to the front here. I'm going to do that with another spindle and another hub. That way I have a spare set of hubs too, or a spare hub as well as a spare tire mounted. I'm going to mount the battery and the battery hold down and all the wiring. Probably mount a couple lights, sand and paint the metal part, and probably undercoat it. And then that'll be it, guys. If you have held on for 3 years on this trailer build, we're finally coming to the end. I also have to finish the inner fenders. But we're coming to the end. Guys, stick with me. Let's make this video and the next video just as popular as the first video. And maybe I'll actually have a decent trailer. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.